Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to case a card out of the annual catalog. I've been casing a bunch of cards. Now casing means copy and share everything. And you can do it a couple of ways. You can copy the whole card, you can copy the colors, you can copy the technique, copy the template, whatever. So I have a ton of scraps, as you all know. So I want to use some up. And on page 125 of the annual catalog, there is this card. It uses the swirly frames, which I don't have, but I love the technique. Put your paper scraps to use by adhering them as layers to your projects in small strips. It's paper piecing, just as we've done before. So this is what I came up with. It's a little card. It's a note card. So what we are using is, I am going to be using Peaceful Moments. I am using Versamark. For cardstock, I'm using Whisper White, and I want to really crease this. And I'll give you a few hints when using a note card and not a layer on a note card, how to do that. I have so many pieces of scrap cardstock. So I'm using that, and then I grabbed a piece of one that I have already cut out of my in my label bag. What else I am using? I am using white embossing powder along with the, yep, you're going to hear the heat tool. I am using stamping dimensionals, plus I am using a piece of self-adhesive, the adhesive sheets. Let's see. Oh, I'm using rhinestones. So what I want to do first is I want to come over here, and first of all, I just want to get a color. Now these are anywhere from 1/4 to almost an inch. And I just want to lay some down to see what colors I want and how many I need. Because once I start working on them, I don't want to have to, oh, I don't like that there, and stuff like that. And you have to get them long enough to go off the edge. I want to use a different. And how about a granny apple green? Okay, let's see if these fit or if I need one little one. I think I'm going to need one more. I don't think I have 1/8 of an inch one. And I mean, you got bigger scraps, just cut them down. Ooh, a cocoa rose may work there. Ah, cool. Okay. So now those are the ones I'm going to be using. So what I am going to do right now is, I'm moving those to the side. I am going to take the adhesive sheet and I'm going to stick it on here. Get my silicone sheet so I don't get it all over. And you don't want to stick it on the back or else you're going to get all that yucky stuff. Now I know I have my, oh, there's my bone folder. I know I had it. I'm going to have to pull that off. Didn't. So I got some all the way to the end. And then, because this is not a layer, it's the card, it's the note card itself, I will tell you what I do is, see, this is where the fold is. I put everything right up to the fold because I don't want to put it over the fold, like I don't want to do it like this and put it over the fold. Well, I did one time. And then I cut too close to it and cut the card out. There was a hole in the card. So I have decided I am just going to set this up, and I'm just going to, first one is always right at the edge. And now if you want to do a layered one like we've done before, you can. Just put this on another color, layer it, and then cut it down to the size you want and put it on the note card. I just wanted to do this for a simple type of card. Oops, got a piece of the, And now you want to get out your paper trimmer. Stick that in there. See, this is where I had the problem with cutting the edge. I folded it over and cut the edge, and dang it, didn't I cut the edge? Ooh, see, just a little more. And then, if you have it over the last side, just be careful. Lay it full open so you get it. If you have to cut the card base, it will be the same size. There you go. Oh, I can use this one for another one. And these you can either do paper piecing again with that or whatnot. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to, you notice that hello is cut with the small little dies, the alphabet dies. I'm going to just emboss it in white, okay? And I'm not going to emboss, I need thank yous. So I'm going to do a thank you. I take the thank you from Peaceful Moments, ink it up with Versamark. Stamp that, oops, flip it over. Grab my white embossing powder. Tap, tap, tap. Cover that up. Okay, hopefully I can get this off so you won't have to hear this horrible noise. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, just put a couple of Stampin' Dimensionals on here. Now I could use, tie the twine on there, but I don't like the twine if I'm not doing it in a layer so it shows on the back of the card, or the inside of the card. Okay. And just stick that down, and let's get some of the the rhinestones. Place them around the card. Oops, that one fell off. And there you have it. There's the original one, and there's my case of it. I really hope you enjoyed my videos. If you do, please shop with me at marytroner.stampinup.net. I would appreciate it. Remember to follow me on YouTube. All the information to purchase all the products to make this card is listed below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.